Imagine this. It's 1944. The Allies control the skies over Europe. And suddenly, an aircraft appears, faster than anything ever seen before. If this jet had arrived earlier, the outcome of World War II might have been completely different. This was the world's first jet fighter, the Messerschmitt Me 262. By the middle of World War II, Germany's Air Force, the Luftwaffe, was under extreme pressure. Allied bombers were striking German cities every day. Traditional propeller-driven fighters could no longer stop them effectively. Germany needed something revolutionary, an aircraft that could change the air war completely. That revolution came in the form of the Me 262, the world's first operational jet-powered fighter aircraft. Unlike other fighters of the time, the Me 262 did not rely on propellers. It used jet engines, a technology far ahead of its era. Top speed, 870 kilometers per hour, almost 200 kilometers per hour faster than Allied fighters. Many Allied pilots later said, "We never even saw it. We were hit, and it was already gone." So what made the Me 262 truly terrifying? It wasn't just speed. 4 30mm cannons, capable of destroying a heavy bomber with a single burst. Where Allied fighters needed multiple passes to shoot down a bomber, the Me 262 could destroy an entire formation in seconds. For B-17 bomber crews, the Me 262 was their worst nightmare. One Allied pilot later wrote, "When the Me 262 appeared, escape was the only option. The jet attacked from above, struck at incredible speed, and disappeared before anyone could react. It felt unstoppable." But here's the question. If the Me 262 was so powerful, why didn't it change the war? 3 main reasons. Hitler's interference. Hitler demanded the Me 262 be used as a bomber, not a fighter, causing major delays and poor tactical use. Engine reliability problems. Early jet engines were fragile and often failed after just 25 hours of operation. Too late. By the time the Me 262 entered service in meaningful numbers, Germany was already losing the war. But imagine this. What if the Me 262 had arrived 1 year earlier? What if it had been used only as a fighter? Allied bomber dominance might have collapsed. The air war over Europe could have taken a completely different direction. The Me 262 was simply too advanced for its time. The Me 262 did not win the war, but it changed aviation forever. Every modern fighter jet today is built on the foundation it created. This aircraft marked the beginning of the jet age. So, this was World War II's most dangerous fighter jet, the Messerschmitt Me 262. Do you think the war's outcome could have changed if it had arrived earlier?